This Modelones priming kit is available on Amazon, and right now they're having a Prime Day sale. You can use my code VANNAROSE10 for a discount on this set. This kit comes with a nail dehydrator and a nail primer. Now this is most typically used with gel polish and other nail extensions, but I'm going to show you how to use it with original nail polish. Basically, a nail dehydrator just removes any excess oils from your plate, so it makes for a nice clean surface for you to apply your base coat. When you paint it on, it basically dries instantly and it leaves your nail plate looking kind of dry. Now, since I'm applying nail polish to my nails, I'm just going to go ahead and skip the nail primer, and I'm just going to apply original base coat and let that air dry. But it is very important, if you're applying a gel base coat, that you're going to want to apply the nail primer because it will make your nails sticky when it dries, and the gel base coat will adhere better to your nails, so your gel will last longer. Also, I wanted to mention, you can apply original nail polish over gel base coat. All you have to do is, after you have cured your gel base coat in the lamp, just remove the sticky layer that is left after you cure the gel base coat, and then you can apply your original nail polish to the nail. But anyways, back to my nails. After I've applied my base coat and I let it dry, it is now time to pick a color. These are the two shades that I picked. I really like this brown. It's such a beautiful cream. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply this shimmer over it to make like a little light chocolate glazed donut look. It is important when you're applying nudes / natural polishes is to do less brush strokes as possible, because even though they don't look like they have a lot of color or pigment in them, they actually have a lot of pigment in them and they can look very streaky very easily. So try not over stroke the brush. Try to do 3 to 4 brush strokes a nail, but of course it depends on how long your nail is. So just try to do less brush strokes when you're applying these kind of shades. After I've applied 2 coats of that wonderful color and let it fully dry, for me it took about 5 minutes between each coat, but it kind of depends on where you live. Nail polish takes a little longer to dry if the air is more humid, and I'm going to apply that beautiful shimmer. And if you just don't have that white chrome powder, you can have a little fill in with just a little white shimmer. Just applying 1 coat over any nail polish, it's just going to give it that nice shimmery effect. In particular, I really like how this polish looks. It's very pretty. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a top coat, seal my nail polish in. It is very important because if you want your manicure to last longer, it's a protective layer. And also I suggest using a quick dry top coat to make sure your nails dry faster and there's less chance of them getting smudged. Here's my manicure. I love how my nails turned out. Very beautiful and can go with any outfit.